Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If LOVE is 13, 16, 23, 6, then what is LIFE? Now in order to find this, let's first number the alphabets. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So after numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25, 26. Now L, when L is the letter, its code is 13. That is rank of next letter. When O is the letter, its code is 16. Again, rank of next letter. O, 16. When V is our letter, the rank is 23. So here also we observe the rank is of the next letter. So in this particular fashion, E should be code for E should be 6, and when we confirm, it's correct. So code for E is 6. So in the same code, using same code pattern, we can say LIFE. For life, we have L13. I will be taken as 10. So 10. F will be taken as 7. 7, and E will be taken as 6. So the code will be LIFE equal to 13, 10, 7, 6. So answer is option A.